Ram Bande Rama.
Ram Bande Rama.
Yes.
Oh, Romeo Juliet order.
No, my lordship. Another.
Correct. Nenne 15 to 18 years ಪೋಕ್ಸೋ
Yes,
ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು.
my lordship.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರೆಯೋವರೆಗೂ ನೀವು ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಿ.
17.
How did you promise to marry a girl of 16 years and how did you indulge in these acts with a child?
Yes, my lordship. This honorable court has watched the proceedings, my lordship.
ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್? ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಹೌದು.
ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸರ್.
ಇವನು ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ಲಾಗಿದೆ. He is ready to marry, my lordship.
ನಾನು ಬರಿತೀನಿ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. 18 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು. Wholly illegal order. You think I'll write?
No, my lordship. Because in the Supreme Court the matter is pending, my
ಇನ್ನು
lordship.
16 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳಿದಾರಾ?
In the adolescence-
ಓ ರೋಮಿಯೋ ಜೂಲಿಯಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್.
No, my lordship. Another Supreme Court has taken the suo moto, my lordship.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನಿನ್ನೆ 15 to 18 years ಪೋಕ್ಸೋ
Yes,
ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು.
yes, my lordship.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರೆಯೋವರೆಗೂ ನೀವು ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಿ.
17th, I think, next date of hearing. I think.
ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್, ನಾನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಹೇಳಿ?
Another judgment.
ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ?
Another judgment, my lordship.
Both of them are below 18 in that case.
Yes, my lordship.
Then ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 22.
Yes, my lordship. Another judgment is my
That
Supreme Court, my lordship.
both of them are below 18. Yes, it is high time they do it. ನೀವು 22 ವರ್ಷ, ಹುಡುಗಿ 16 ವರ್ಷ.
Because
ಅಂಡ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ.
at the time of the love affair, my lordship, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏಜ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲೆ. That's the
ಅಯ್ಯೋ.
awareness for
When you fall in love, age ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ವಾ?
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ my lordship. Conscience ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ.
To fall in love, age is no bar.
Yes, my lordship. For that's what my lordship Supreme Court directed to the
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
central
ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ
government.
ಕೋರ್ಟ್ said any age you
No,
can
my
fall in
lordship.
love.
Supreme Court directed the central government union to bring the law, my lordship, Romeo Juliet class, my lordship.
No, ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏಜ್
17
ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
But after
ಇಲ್ಲರೆ ಪೋಕ್ಸೋ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ಯು.
awareness, my lordship.
ನೋ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್.
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ my lordship.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು?
Because ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ labor.
ಅದೇ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಸ್
ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಹೇಮಂತ್ ಚಂದನ್ಗೌಡ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಮೇಲೆ 16 years ಗೆ
ಹೌದಾ?
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ ಮೇಲೆ
ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ
ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅದು ಮದುವೆ ಆದ್ರು ಅಂತನಾ?
ಮದುವೆ ಆದ್ರು
16 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಮದುವೆ ಆದ್ರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ.
ಕೊಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 16 years ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ?
ಪ್ಯಾರಾ 4
ಅವರು 20 years, survivor 16 years as on date.
Yes, my lordship. At the date of the incident, my lordship, 16 years, my
ಅಲ್ಲ,
lordship.
at the time of settlement ಯಾವ ಏನು ವರ್ಷ ಸರ್? ಸರ್, at the time of the incident 19 years, sorry, settlement ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? Yes.
Marriage was solemnized. Because their marriage was solemnized.
19 years, girl was 19 years.
The survivor age is 16 years.
Adds on the date of the incident. Incident was 4 years ago.
That is, your lordship was there, quashed in the case of Ram. Adu your lordship has been Adu Ram Bande Rama.
Ram Bande Rama.
Yes, my lordship. Your lordship has been quashing that proceeding. But at the time of the incident, 16 years. But at the time
Now
of
what is the age of the victim? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
2/1/2010, my lordship, date of birth.
ಇನ್ನು 16 ಸರ್ ಈಗ.
16 years, 6 months, 12 days.
At the time of incident
16 years.
16 years. 18 ಆಗೋವರೆಗೂ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೀವು ಜೈಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿರಿ.
After
ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ನಡೀಲಿ. ವಿಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ 3 months. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ವಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ಬಿಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ my lordship, ಅಲ್ಲ at least my lordship, let them trial ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ my lordship, directions ಅಂದ್ರೆ let them after completion of the 18 years, my lordship, they enter into marital relationship, my lordship.
ಅದು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಕ್ವಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ. ಎಸ್. ದಿ petitioner is before the court seeking the following prayer. The petitioner is the sole accused.
Yes, my lordship.
Is the sole accused in a proceedings that has sprung from an affair between the victim and the petitioner. At the time of the incident, that has become the ingredients of the POCSO Act, the victim was 16 years old and is now 16 years and 3 months.
6 months, my lordship.
16 years and 6 months. The counsel for the petitioner submits that the matter has to be settled as the petitioner, who is now 22, is wanting to marry the victim, who is yet to attain the age of 18 years, and seeks an order of this court of quashment on the score that on the score of such settlement and the proposed marriage that the petitioner wants to undertake after the girl attains the age of 18 years. It is too early in the day for this court to direct the quashment of the proceedings on an undertaking that the petitioner would get married to the victim after 2 years.
Yes.
The only relief that can be granted today is expeditious conclusion of the trial against the petitioner, which is now pending before the concerned court. Since it is an issue arising out of the POCSO Act, I deem it appropriate to direct the concerned court to dispose the subject proceeding within an outer limit of 3 months from the date of receipt of the copy of the order in accordance with law. Yengo she will turn hostile, you will be acquitted. So leave it, yes. ಮಂಗಳೂರ ಇದು
ಉಡುಪಿ.
ಉಡುಪಿ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕರಿ ನಡೆಸ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನ್ ಬೇಕರಿ ನಡೆಸಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ್ದು.
ಲಿಯೋ ಕಾರ್ನೆಲ್ಲೋ ಮುಂದೆ ಬೇಕರಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಗ್ಯಾಮ್ಲಿಂಗ್.
ಕೀಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಕೀಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್.
ಕೀಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಈಗ?
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಸ್ಯಾಟಲೈಟ್ ಫೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
pursuant to the voluntary statement of accused number 1, this petition was implicated in the case.
Now what is your business, you tell me?
Number 2,
Number 2 ಅಲ್ಲ, phone number 1 business. What is your business?
which is not forthcoming in the charge sheet.
ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಗ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್.
No, your lordship kindly pursuant to the voluntary statement of accused number 1, this petition was implicated in the case.
You leave that, sir. You tell me what is your business? ಏನ್ business ಇದು ಎಸ್ ಪಿ ಪಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು? ಬೇಕರಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ವಾಟ್ ಬೇಕರಿ? ಮಂಗಳೂರ ಇದು?
ಉಡುಪಿ.
ಉಡುಪಿ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕರಿ ನಡೆಸ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನ್ ಬೇಕರಿ ನಡೆಸಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ್ದು.
ಹೌದಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಗ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಏನು?
No reference about the bakery.
ಬೇಕರಿ ಮುಂದೆ.
And accused number 1 already pleaded guilty, my lord. And there is a.
Accused number 1 is pleaded guilty, sir.
Yes.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು?
ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ಲೀಡ್ ಗಿಲ್ಟಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲಾಗಿದೆ pleaded guilty.
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ಲಿ because
78(3).
correct my lord, but this seems to be the main. All other people are pawns at his hand.
What to do?
No materials at all, my
Your
lord.
lordship may have it next week, next month my lord. ಇರ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
ಅಲ್ಲ 151, 155 also not complied.
No, that's.
And except the voluntary statement of the accused number 1, absolutely there is no
Complaint.
materials against the petitioner, my lord.
ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು. 24ಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವ, ಅವತ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನ್? If accused number 1 is pleaded guilty, how do you hold him guilty at all? You run the bakery. Yes.
No bakery, my lord.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ.
There is no reference about the bakery in these 4 cases.
That's what the state says. Anyway,
ಅವರೇ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ.
62, 63, 64, all on 24th. And first list,
First list ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
serial number?
Yes, serial number 39, my lord.
39, ಎಲ್ಲ madam. 24, list on 24th.
Much.
Yes.
63.